Have you ever noticed that the harder you chase your dreams, the further they seem to slip away? Picture this. You're chasing success like it's a runaway train, but what if the secret isn't in the chase at all? What if the moment you step back, everything starts coming to you effortlessly? Imagine a garden where every plant is overwatered and micromanaged. It never truly thrives. Now think of a seed left to its own devices, growing naturally into a vibrant flower. That's the power of surrender. When you let go of desperate striving and trust the natural flow, you invite abundance into your life. First, detach from the outcome. Instead of fixating on a specific result, focus on giving your best effort every day. When you obsess over the end goal, you build up stress and block the creative energy needed for success. A friend of mine, Lily, used to stress over every missed opportunity until she learned to celebrate small wins. Once she shifted her focus to personal growth, opportunities began to find her. Second, master your mindset. Your thoughts are the lens through which you experience the world. Swap out anxiety for optimism and watch as challenges transform into stepping stones. When you maintain a calm, focused mind, you start attracting the right opportunities naturally. And finally, trust in divine timing. Life has its own rhythm. Success isn't an instant download, but a journey of growth. By aligning your actions with your purpose and releasing the need for immediate results, you create space for the universe to work its magic. Take a deep breath, trust that everything unfolds as it should, and enjoy the ride.